Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. The price is currently still in this overall sideways range. Not really anything exciting going on there at the moment. As you might remember from previous updates, I see this here as a potential triangle. Yes, other interpretations are possible, but we have enough waves. I mean, it just needs one more move up, a lower high in the yellow count. Lower high, yeah, in yellow wave E of B. To complete the yellow triangle, which would be a setup for lower. It would require a lower high and a higher low for the white count. So it will probably not be until we get the pullback after the next rally that we know which one is it. It's just essentially a range, right? Which with very clearly defined boundary lines, $3.60 below. So ideally the price holds above this level if anything bullish is going to play out. Because a break below that important support would, yeah, that would be clearly bearish, would indicate an early top. I have to say an earlier than expected top then in this cycle. Don't even want to call it bullish cycle for DOT, because for DOT it wasn't really bullish. You know, we're pretty much around the October 23 area again, yeah. And yeah, overall, I'm watching for a rally from here, and I expect it to be corrective, either wave E in yellow or wave D in white. So that means in both counts, in both scenarios, I expect another rally, okay? Even if it's just a corrective rally, but it could still take us to around about $8 to $9 next. Why that area? Very simple, because the way to calculate a target in a triangle is we take the length of the move up in yellow wave C, and we go to the low of the D wave, and we are looking for the 61.8 extension. It's at least an ideal, it's just an ideal level to watch. It's at $8. So that's something to track here on the smaller time frame. Looking at the smaller, on the larger time frame, on the smaller time frame, the price obviously dipped like many other coins here on the 3rd of February, quite a strong correction, and we could now be in this bounce, in this corrective rally higher, which might take the form either as an ABC structure in white. So I've just shown two possible pathways here that I see as highly likely. Initially an A wave up, then here a B wave down, which would be an A, B, C structure itself, and then 5 waves up in wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we have an ABC structure. That would, however, only be the A wave of a larger ABC structure, B, C. This is one roadmap, possible pathway, valid as long as we're holding above $4.07. In this scenario, the price just topped in white wave B, and when it did overshoot slightly, and we're now moving down in wave C. The 100% extension, which is an ideal target, is located at $4.50. And from this area, then the market might start a rally in the white C wave. Important is that only a break below $4.07 will make this scenario far less likely. But the invalidation point is actually the February low. Now, in a slightly more directly bullish scenario, we would be working on a diagonal pattern to the upside at the moment. So that we have here in orange, a direct pathway higher is possible as long as the market holds above the, well, 450 level, which is the swing low of orange wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, A, B. So we might go a little lower, but then complete wave B, C, 4, 5. So again, both counts are currently short-term bullish because we're close to long-term support, close to that August low, and therefore reward to risk is obviously positive for the bulls. It's a good relationship here, good ratio, but I don't see a very clear pathway higher yet. We need a little bit more price action to confirm which one is it. Depends essentially on how deep the pullback now goes. Obviously, they're both, I mean, looking for higher is only really what I'm going to do until we break below $4.07. I mean, below that level, it is just going to be, bearish, okay? Even though we're very close to long-term support, so it might only form one more marginally lower low and then get a bounce from the 360 area. So weak momentum like everywhere at the moment in crypto, so we'll keep it short. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. And if you are interested in additional content, I mean, the markets are a bit boring at the moment, so we keep it interesting on the MCO Global channel. I've uploaded a video today about where Bitcoin's top could lie for this cycle, talking about the long-term scenarios and talking about different on-chain indicators. So if you're interested in that, check it out. It's brand new, fresh out of the oven for you. But these videos on this channel are designed to be relevant long-term, so they're not, they don't have a 24-hour expiry date. Or expiry. So yeah, check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.